You would wonder why anyone would even attempt a kitchen renovation. I mean, look at this actual customer review from a popular appliance internet retailer. They came to deliver and install an oven. They couldn't install it because the delivery guy didn't know how. Then he took it back and charged me a 30% restocking fee. Thieves, stay away. Think that's bad? It gets way worse from there. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid the common and expensive mistakes when buying appliances. From store closures to hidden fees to delivery damage and installation fails. Here's how to protect yourself before things go wrong. And stay to the end. I'll give you a free delivery checklist that covers every conceivable problem we've seen in 102 years of being in business. You can't get appliances from a store that no longer exists. 2022, a local appliance store, Boston Appliance, closed their doors, taking an estimated $5 million in customer deposits. In 2024, over 100 appliance stores shut down, including major chains like Conn's. The cost of running an appliance business has skyrocketed. Warehousing, labor, insurance, many simply can't keep up. So what happens if you've already paid a cash or check deposit in a store that goes under? You lose it. That's why you should always pay by credit card, not debit or cash. Look for warning signs like empty displays, no staff, and a string of recent bad delivery reviews. Here's another big one. Free delivery is rarely free. In fact, it can be pretty expensive, even if it's actually done on time without damage. We'll get to that later. Free usually means curbside only. If you want it brought inside, that's extra. Removal of the old appliance, extra. Stairs, definitely extra. Removal fees can be $50 per piece. Simple hookup can be additional. Stairs, some stores charge by the floor, and that's why we created a delivery guide checklist. It outlines every common and uncommon charge and what questions to ask before you schedule anything. I'll give you that link at the end. If there's one big takeaway from this video, and hopefully there are more, never sign for anything until you fully inspect the product and your home. Check every surface, open the doors, look for dents, scratches, scuffs. What you should do is take before and after photos of your space. Run dishwashers and washers before the team leaves. If there's damage, note it on a delivery slip and call the store immediately. Not all delivery teams are qualified to install what they deliver. Wall ovens, cooktops, dishwashers, and built-in refrigerators need specialized skills, and pricing can vary widely based on your space. Do this before delivery. Confirm exactly what installation is included. Request a pre-site check or send photos. FaceTime with the store if necessary. We do that all the time. You want to correct problems before they happen, not after they do. Here's the harsh truth. Appliance service is the black hole of the industry. It's unpredictable, slow, and often outsourced. That's why it matters who you buy from, not just what you buy. If store service is what they sell, you have a better chance of avoiding delays and labor charges. Always read reviews, the service follow-ups, not just the buying experience. Here's how to protect yourself. Vet every contractor and subcontractor on every step of the process, from sales to delivery to installation. Measure every hallway, stair, and doorway. Take photos of your space before delivery. Understand how service works before you buy and who's responsible for it. Yes, this takes a few hours up front, but it'll save you days, weeks, months, or even years of stress, surprise charges, and even property damage. And as promised, you can download our free delivery checklist and guide below. If you had an appliance delivery disaster, drop in the comments. Someone else may learn from your story. If you want to learn more about the most reliable appliances for this year, click this video, and thanks for watching.